In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it, and then confirm your choice in the second one by hitting remove one last time. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it or add any widget, you can always do that by pinching your device's display and hitting cards at the bottom left corner. Then look for your widget. I will go back to the search bar, so I have to find classic widgets at the bottom. Hold my search bar under Google. Hold it here, drag it, and let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!